Hey guys, John here. Just want to go over our Vycor here. So we went across, we verified we got a ledger or a rim board on here. Over here we have stud framing, so we open that up, we marked it where our center is, so that when we go to lag our ledger and nail it in, we're good to go. We got structures. Now we're gonna get our Vycor on here to help protect the water. Anything might try to get back behind the ledger to help protect everything. We get flashing up in here too as well, but biggest problem you're going to have with Vycor, you can see as I kind of already started, is that it likes to stick on top or on bottom on the edges. So you really want, in summertime especially, don't store it in the sun, because the sun melts that top and then it gets really hard to come off and undone. So what we're going to do here is start here, roll it out. The goal is to get it to look really nice and clean. So we'll start here. And if you're able to have two guys, obviously that's going to make things a little bit easier, but you don't always get to have that luxury. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll just roll it out. You can kind of hear how it's pulling off. It helps break some of that bond across. So sometimes I'll just roll it out and then re-roll it up. As you can see how it's coming out, when we cut the tape, we cut through that, so we'll have to go through and put a little piece over that. So you gotta be careful with that, but this is what we're looking for as we roll it all out. It's gonna go across the whole ledger here, and then that's gonna help keep this thing nice and waterproof. Once we get this on, then we'll snap our line for a ledger and get going with that. Thanks, guys.